Hello everyone, welcome to the BizCrown Media channel where we help you with digital tools and digital marketing to grow your brand. Today we're going to talk about changing your Facebook page name. Let's say you've changed your business name or you just want to give it a livelier name on Facebook. Well, guess what? You can absolutely do that. We'll cover some troubleshooting tips and some things to look out for. So if you've been wanting to find out how to do that and change your Facebook page name, let's dive in. All right. So the first thing you want to do, again, as I mentioned, is make sure you are logged into the account, the Facebook page that you want to make the changes to. How you would do that is simply go to the top here, look at all the profiles you manage here, and select the profile that you want to make the changes on. In this instance, it's Gramleap over here. Now, after that, you want to go to settings and privacy. And once you click settings and privacy, you want to go to settings. Now, under settings, you want to go to the left over here and then go to page setup where you see this flag. Once you click page setup, you can go to view. See your name over here? Go to view under your name. As you can see, the name is Gramleap. So this is where I'm going to make the change. So we go to view and under name, you could see my name is here for the business, or I should say the page of the business that we manage is here. Now you could simply go to edit and then change your name. Now you could see this is what to look out for. If you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 60 days. So as you could see, you could simply not have to change your name if you don't want to be able to not change it for the next 60 days. So let's say you pick a name that I would say just do your research, do your research so you don't go pick a name that's like, whoa, didn't you think about that before picking that name and not being able to change it for the next 60 days. Now, as you can see here, you can also add other names is what it's saying, whether it's your name pronunciation, other names, your nickname, your birth name, and all that stuff. But that's how you can actually change the page name. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see helpful content that just makes your life easier. Till next time, take care.